Amalungu ephalamende ayakuvuma ukuthi siyibhasobha ngempela isibalo esiphezulu sentsha engasebenzi. Amalungu ephalamende abedingida izinselele ezibhekene nentsha ngaphambi kosuku lwayo kusasa.
Population. This is a breeding ground of gangsterism, of substance abuse in the form of matombe and nyaupe.
A government that has failed to eradicate pillars, a government that has failed small businesses with bureaucratic legislation, a government that has been unable to grow the economy, a government that quite frankly is making young people consider leaving the country to find a better life.
The ANC government did not remember that we are the youth when they looted 500 billion during a pandemic. They do not remember that we are youth when we are sexually violated and killed as women and gay people and fell attend away at police stations when we seek refuge.
The transformation can only take place where we have secured jobs for all our young people. We are pushing South Africa first. We are protecting our youth and people from current unjust unemployment that is driven by the illegal occupation of jobs from undocumented foreign nations.
In the long term, the South Africa youth unemployment rate is projected to trend around 68% in 2023.